Hello, my name is Cynthia Doughton.
And I'm Dent Keltner with Half Pint Taproom and Restoration Hall at 817 Ohio Avenue in downtown Wichita Falls. Up front we have Neapolitan brick oven pizza, 36 taps, rotating craft beers, and a couple of craft cocktails mixed in there. We also have a wide range of craft cocktails. We have 4 Messina Hoff wines on tap. Also up front we have a very large covered patio. We also have 4 fire pits out there to hang out around. That patio also ties into the back, which we call Restoration Hall, which is a 4,000 square foot venue that seats about 200 people that we rent out for private parties, receptions, birthdays. We also do live music, comedy nights, dueling pianos. We have a full stage PA light system, 150-inch projection screen.
Please follow us on Facebook and you can stay up to date on the things that are going on.